Welcome to session 12. In this session we're going to look at scale drawing. The aims and objectives for the session are to understand the term scale drawing and how it's used in real life, to draw a scale drawing giving suitable information, to write scales in different formats, to simplify scales. The objectives: to interpret scale drawings into real life measurements, to interpret information in a problem and create a suitable scale drawing, to understand that 1 centimetre to 1 kilometre is the same as 1 to 100,000. So, how are they used? Builders use scale drawings to make buildings and bridges. We use scale drawings to help us assemble things. GPS on our mobile phones shows us a scaled map to help us follow directions. Why do they need to be scaled? Here's a definition. A scale of 1 centimetre to 2 metres. This simply means for every centimetre measured on a drawing, this represents 2 metres in real life. In order to make sense of a map or scale diagram, the scale must be known. For this scale model, 1 centimetre represents 1 metre. So how long is the car? This means for every metre of the actual car, 1 centimetre is drawn on the drawing. Scales. The scale of this drawing is 1 centimetre equals 5 metres. What is the actual height of the tree? So 6 times 5 is 30 metres. The scale of this drawing is 1 centimetre equals 90 centimetres. So what is the actual length of the bus? 5 times 90, 450 centimetres. You could also write this as metres, so if we convert that, you get 4.5 metres. Now it's your turn. Problem. A garden is rectangular in shape and has a length of 12 metres and a breadth of 8 metres. Make a rough sketch of the garden. Now you're going to draw an accurate scale drawing of the garden. Ask your tutor for some squared paper and a ruler. Use a scale of 1 centimetre represents 2 metres. Don't forget to label your diagram with the scale. Here's another problem. A road junction is triangular in shape. A rough sketch is given below. Draw an accurate scale drawing of the garden. Use a scale of 1 centimetre represents 2 metres. Again, don't forget to put on your scale. Now we want to find the real life length of the third side. So we need to measure it and then times it by 2. How are scales written? A scale is usually expressed in one of 2 ways. Using units as in 1 centimetre to 1 kilometre, or without explicitly mentioning units as in 1 to 100,000. This uses a ratio. Example 1. Write the scale 1 centimetre to 1 metre in ratio form. So first of all we have to put it back into equivalent units. So 1 centimetre to 1 metre equals 1 centimetre to 100 centimetres equals 1 to 100. Example 2. Let's do this again, but simplify it this time. So we have 5 millimetres to 1 metre. So we need to find equivalent units first. So 5 millimetres to 1 metre is 5 millimetres to 100 centimetres. 5 millimetres to 1,000 millimetres. So 5 to 1,000, we can simplify that. 1 to 200. Now it's your turn. Look in the folder Scale Drawing Resources on Moodle for task sheets or ask your tutor for a paper copy. Let's recap this section. Do you understand the term scale drawing and how they're used in real life? Can you draw a scale drawing given suitable information? Can you write scales in different formats? Can you simplify scales? Objectives. Can you interpret scale drawing into real-life measurements? Can you interpret information in a problem and create a suitable scale drawing? Do you understand that 1 centimetre to 1 kilometre is the same as 1 to 100,000? Remember, if you still have questions or need help, please ask me in class or email me.